Most people think success is about talent, luck, or being in the right place at the right time. But what if I told you, that's not true at all? There is one hidden reason why some people never succeed, and it's something almost nobody talks about. Some people work hard their entire lives, and still stay stuck. Others move forward faster with less effort. Why? Stay until the end, because what you're about to discover might completely change how you see your life. Meet Daniel. He always believed that working harder would eventually bring success. He woke up early, worked late, and never stopped pushing himself. But no matter what he did, nothing seemed to change. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. And still, he felt stuck. Deep inside, frustration started to grow. Why is this not working for me, he wondered. The truth is, most people repeat the same actions every day, expecting different results. They stay in their comfort zone, afraid to take risks or try something new. Daniel realized he was doing the same thing, over and over again. And that's when it hit him: hard work alone isn't enough. Success is not just about working harder, it's about thinking differently. The people who succeed are not always the smartest or the strongest, they simply see opportunities where others see obstacles. Daniel started questioning everything he believed. What if I need to change my approach, not just my effort? That was the moment everything started to change. Daniel began learning new skills, trying new strategies, and stepping outside his comfort zone. At first, it was uncomfortable. Even scary. But slowly, things started to move. Small progress became visible. Opportunities appeared. Confidence grew. And for the first time in years, Daniel felt like he was finally moving forward. Not because he worked more, but because he worked smarter. Here's the truth most people never realize: success is not about doing more. It's about doing things differently. If you keep repeating the same habits, your life will stay the same. But the moment you change your thinking, everything begins to change. So if you feel stuck right now, don't blame your luck. Don't blame your past. Instead, ask yourself, backhand index pointing right, what can I do differently starting today? Because success is not something you wait for. It's something you create. And your new story can begin right now.